Hey, what's up, Charles? Here, AllCoastLawncare&pressurewashing. So, as you can see, all the leaves in the back. So, this what keeps us busy, y'all. We're mulching leaves and pine needles. We blow them away from the house, the fence, and the trees, and we just mulch them up. All right. The quote's the same. So, whatever the quote is, that's the same for mulching leaves and pine needles, just to keep us busy all the way up to the mid-December. The quote is, I'm only doing a couple more passes, going in circles to mulch them up. But other than that, y'all, let's go and let me set this camera up so I could just give y'all a show. Alright, y'all, here we go. So that's what we're doing, okay? All back there. She said she doesn't mind the pine needles being around the trees. But when we do mulch pine needles, they're still noticeable. But as we keep doing it on a schedule, like we come every 2 weeks, I mean, we're preventing them from being overpiled, okay? And so keep the yard looking good. That's what we're doing, y'all. I keep my quote the same. I mean, it's a blessing, y'all, that they're letting us do it. You know what I mean? It keeps us busy. Other than that, let me know what you think. I haven't been posting for a while. It's been real busy, but you know, I was thinking, like, let me make a video for this channel. So that's what we're doing, y'all. We're in October right now. Leaves are falling, pine needles are falling, and we're mulching them up. Hey, if you like what you saw, please subscribe, like, and God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.